Hey, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod, very few among the highest degrees achiever in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born on the exact date of birth is unknown, but his birthday is celebrated around the world on 26th of April 1564. William Shakespeare was born of wealthy family. William Shakespeare was a poet, playwright, actor, was born in Stratford upon Avon in England, United Kingdom. He composed more than 30 plays, 100 poems, etc. William Shakespeare period is explained in four stages starting from 1564 till 1616. William Shakespeare plays are described in three categories: tragedy, that is Hamlet, etc., and comedy, Twelfth Night, etc., history, Henry V, Henry IV, and Richard III. Other works are Merchant of Venice, Romeo and Juliet, etc. William Shakespeare work is such a famous that he is become very rich and famous. He bought houses in London and in Stratford upon Avon. He died on 23rd April 1616. This is 100% true I am delivering. So please like and share my video. My YouTube channel is Tech Yogeshkumar and Education Yogeshkumar. Globe Theatre has been built in memory of William Shakespeare in 1997. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.